Hi there. In this tutorial, we will go through customer credits and how to use it as a payment option. Imagine that the customer comes in to return an item, but instead of a refund, you issue the customer a credit for future purchases. We will start this tutorial by showing how to process a return and issue a customer credit. Next, we will go over how to apply the customer credit on a new sale. Starting in the Sale module, we will add a return line item from one of our previous sales. Note that once we add the line item and select the customer, the system will give you the overview of the customer's house account and credit account balances if they have any existing balances. Going through the checkout process, we will choose the customer credit payment option. This will issue a credit to the customer that they can use for any future purchases. After submitting the sale, we will go to the customer's profile to verify that the credit was applied. Let's open the left navigation menu, choose Customers, and go to the first customer profile. In addition to the Customer Overview widget, you are also able to open the Account tab to view a full history of credits. Note that there is a Type column, and whenever the customer credit is issued, you can see the issued type on a transaction entry. Now we will go back to the Sale module, where we will submit a sale for the ring and use the customer credit. Please note that the customer's balance dialog now has an updated credit value. In the Payment section, we will use customer credit as a payment option. After doing so, all that is left is to finish submitting the sale. Now we will go to the customer's profile once again to see the updated entry to their summary. Note that the last entry is of the applied type and matches the amount of the sale. Additionally, voiding the sale where their credit was used or issued will remove the associated credits. That's it for using the customer credit payment option. Thanks for watching.